Do you remember when cars weren't just transportation? They were rolling works of art? Today we're looking at three legendary 1950s automobiles that are now worth millions and continue to inspire classic car lovers around the world. The 1950s gave America and Europe some of the most beautiful cars ever built. These three masterpieces continue to capture the hearts of collectors and classic car enthusiasts because of their stunning designs, powerful engines, and unforgettable history. Number 1. The 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing is considered one of the most iconic sports cars ever built. Its famous Gullwing doors weren't created just for style, they were necessary because of its unique lightweight space frame chassis. It was also the world's first production car with direct fuel injection, making it one of the fastest and most advanced automobiles of its era. Between 1954 and 1957, Mercedes-Benz produced approximately 1,400 Gullwing coupes, making it one of the rarest production sports cars of its time. Today, an original and well-preserved 300 SL Gullwing is worth between $1.5 million and over $2 million, depending on its condition and history. Its 3.0-liter inline-six engine produced around 215 horsepower and could push the car to nearly 60 miles per hour, an incredible achievement in the 1950s. Number 2. Next is the legendary Ferrari 375mm, a machine built with one purpose: to win races. It was named after the famous Mille Miglia race and engineered for speed rather than luxury. Ferrari produced only 26 examples of the 375mm, making it one of the rarest Ferraris ever built, thanks to its incredible rarity and racing heritage. Surviving examples are now valued between $8 million and $15 million, with exceptional cars selling for even more. Its powerful 4.5-liter V12 engine delivered breathtaking performance and helped Ferrari achieve success in international motorsport. Its unique Ghia Coupe version remains one of the rarest one-off Ferraris ever created. Number 3. The 1953 Cadillac Eldorado became a symbol of American luxury, success, and Hollywood glamour. It was one of the most expensive convertibles sold in America during its time. Only 532 examples of the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado were produced, making it one of Cadillac's rarest classic automobiles. Today, a well-restored 1953 Eldorado is typically worth between $250,000 and $500,000, while exceptional examples can command even higher prices. Unlike the Ferrari and Mercedes, the Eldorado focused on comfort rather than speed, offering power steering, premium luxury, and an incredibly smooth ride. Its elegant chrome styling, wraparound windshield, and handcrafted interior made it one of the greatest symbols of 1950s American luxury. These three remarkable automobiles prove that true classics never lose their value. They simply become legends,